Hi guys, welcome to another series of Elbony Foods. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to make ketchup at home. Let's get started. Firstly, I added 2 spoons of sugar, quarter spoon of salt, add little hot water, and stir till the sugar mixture is properly dissolved. You have to keep stirring till it is properly dissolved, or you cover for a while and come back to it for it to be properly dissolved. So I stirred for like few minutes and the sugar mixture is dissolved. So once it is properly dissolved, I'll be adding in some lime. You can use lemon as well, but this is what I have at home, and I'll be squeezing it in my sugar mixture. After I've finished squeezing it in, I'll mix properly again. I added 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This is practically optional. If you have it at home, you can add, and if you do not have it, you don't have to stress yourself. You can use the normal mixture for your ketchup, and it will still come out very nice. After I'm done with the mixture, using this tomato paste, I'm using 1 sachet of tomato paste, and I'll be mixing my sugar mixture with the tomato paste. I will mix till everything is well incorporated. Mix properly, please. Mix till you have a very good mixture. And you have to keep adding it small small. You don't have to add it at once because you don't want it to be too watery. So you have to add it little by little till you have the proper amount of how thick and how light you want it. So after I'm done mixing it, you can store it in a tight container and store. It doesn't have to be in the fridge or freezer to save. This can last long for months in the house. Just store in a tight container and you can use anytime you want it. I hope I've saved you some amount of money. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Love you.